I start sparking.
We can't touch you. What do you think? Throw this at him? What's up, guys? Welcome to 2816. We are now installing a... What brand is it?
Yeah, I don't even know. Revesol?
Yeah,
Revesol?
one of those.
Yeah, whatever that is. Yeah, whatever that is.
But jeez, look at this. Dang. Steering wheels are actually pretty heavy. It's so crazy. And two stepping in a vibe? Oh my god. All right, if you want to do this at home, just make sure you disconnect the battery, because if you blow up, then we're just not responsible for it, okay? So disconnect the battery.
Yeah, because you're never on camera.
But it's not me working on my car. You know?
See, it keeps catching. I don't want to bend this thing up.
Oh, the tool?
Yeah.
That's fine.
I got a thicker one.
Yeah, let me try that. Yeah, because this is actually a little bit bigger. Hold on.
That's two.
Come on. Dude. They made it look so easy.
I know, he's it.
I think it's getting caught. Like, when I push this in, it's like going past it and going in there. See, that's what I think it's doing.
Can I try it?
Yeah, you want to give it a shot?
Oh, I see your problem.
Well, they make
You can
that
like feel it all, like
so
it like springs up. Yeah. Do you want me to like push it in while you pull it? See if we can like.
Yeah, we can try that.
So. Is it really not coming out? Dude,
Few moments later.
There we go. Perfect.
Cool. And then yeah, we just pop those on.
Use this one, yeah.
Rolled on a driveway.
Now we got to remove this bad boy in the center. Yep. So it's a 24 millimeter.
Cool. Oh, that, just for that.
Just rip it. Swap out all the instruments on over to the new wheel.
It'd be cool if you had like a racing setup on like the game or whatever. You could use that steering wheel too.
Oh yeah, you could, yeah. Okay. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think you just
Cool.
stuff it back in there.
Check her out. Don't move.
Oh, do you have the torch thingy?
Torch.
The torque range. Like the salad dressing?
What? Okay, I see.
Oh, to red, I guess. Oh,
Good? Cool?
that thing's cool. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Wait, how did those...
If you want to rev it, you can.
Probably shouldn't do that anymore.
It's okay.